The demon Naragasura has a sister named Nakratundi. One day the demon Naragasura sends his sister to the abode of the gods to bring down the celestial limbs for his pleasure and satisfaction. She goes to the Devaloka, the abode of the gods, disguised as a very beautiful woman. The celestial nymphs are convinced by Nakratundi to go with her. Just then Jayantan, the son of the king, Indra, comes into the scene, and on seeing Jayantan, Nakratundi, who is overawed by his presence, tries to seduce him, leaving the celestial nymphs. Jayantan refuses her advances and sees through her disguise and draws his sword and chops off her breasts and nose and ears. Naragasura, the demon, is now in a rage. As the scene unfolds, you can see what happens between Naragasura and Jayantan.
Mohana